Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see sent follow request on Instagram. So the first thing first you want to do is click on these three lines right here. Then you want to go to account center. So once you're on account center, you want to scroll down to your information and pass permissions. Okay. Then you want to select download your information. So then you're gonna click on download or transfer informations. All right, here you're gonna click on some of your information. All right, since we want to see our follow request, so all we have to do is scroll down to connections, then click on select all. All right, then scroll down to next. All right, so make sure you leave it on download to device, then click on next. All right, so right here, first select the date range. You want to make sure it's 3 years, then it's save. Okay, so then the format, you want to make sure it's on HTML and quality has to be medium so it doesn't take too long to download. Then you click on create files. All right, so right here it says your in progress downloads and transfer needs to finish before you can request a new download. So all we have to do is wait for our request to download. So once you're done over there, you want to click on download your information. Okay, so you click on download, then you input your password. So you want to open it. Okay, so once you open your downloaded folder, click on connections. All right, so once you click on connections, you want to click on followers and following. So if you've already sent a follower request, it's going to show up, it's going to show the name of the person you sent the follower request to. I haven't sent any follower request, so I only have followers, following, and people I'm following. Okay, so it's going to show the name down here. So this is the easiest way to see your sent follower request on Instagram. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.